t-shirt. How are you going to do that? By using forensic chemistry. What's forensic chemistry?
What's forensic chemistry? Well, children, forensic chemistry is a type of chemistry that uses different analytical methods to reveal what chemical changes occur during the incident to help detectives put all the pieces
Not like
together.
when the lady from SVU tests the blood?
Yeah, exactly like that. They also test for hair, saliva, semen, and even gunshot residue.
So how do they do it?
Well, they use a lot of different techniques, such as ultraviolet, infrared, and visible light, like the spectrophotometry, which is where the color in a solution is tested by determining the amount of light absorbed.
So can you use that technique for everything?
Well, I mean, it depends on what you're testing. If you're testing fingerprints, you'll use a substance called ninhydrin, which turns purple due to reaction with amino acids on your hands. Or you can make a fingerprint visible by exposing it to a high-powered laser light.
We're breaking up this little chemistry session, but we need to figure out who bleached the shirt before Grey's Anatomy.
Okay. First, we need to figure out who bleached the shirt.
Lucky
Exactly.
for you, I brought some luminol powder.
Oh, yeah.
We have some luminol powder. This is what is responsible for the glow of glow sticks.
But how does this make the blood glow in SVU?
Well, Grace, you first have to make a simple solution of luminol powder, copper sulfate, and water. What you do, you take 1/8 of a teaspoon of luminol powder, which both of these chemicals are very corrosive, so you need to make sure you're under adult supervision. Then you take 1/8 of a teaspoon of copper sulfate. And then you take 1/4 of a teaspoon of water. You mix this together. So, when you're in the lab, you will mix this together until all of it is dissolved. Then, when you go out to the crime scene, you will spray this where you think the blood or bleach is found. The iron from the hemoglobin in the blood will serve as a catalyst for this chemiluminescence reaction. So, when you have blood and you spray this on there, the blood will turn blue from the luminol powder. And the same works for Lillian High's reaction. When you have bleach, it serves as the same way.
Cool. The bleaching was done.
I don't know. We should check around my house, though.
Yeah, let's check in the living room first. Okay, let's check Tommy.
Yeah, Tommy's room. He probably did it.
Wait, Tommy's bathroom!
Oh, because he probably did it in there.
Yeah! Dun dun!
Spray it, little spray it.
Blue! I see
Tommy's bathroom. We have to make sure that it was Tommy who did it. So we need to go find the bottle of bleach in his room.
Yeah, so let's go.
Out in the toy chest.
What?
Okay, but maybe your mom put it in here. We need to make sure his fingerprints are on it.
Okay.
But how are we gonna do that?
I don't know.
You can always use ninhydrin powder.
How does that help?
Well, the ninhydrin powder mixed with water, add a little ninhydrin powder, little water. You spread this on the bottle which you think has fingerprints. Then, the ninhydrin powder and water will react with the amino acids from the fingerprints and it will turn purple. Then, you'll know that there's fingerprints on the bottle. This will help them solve the case to find Tommy did it.
Gave us this nifty bottle of ninhydrin that she made. So now we have to spread it on the bottle and see if there's any purple.
Okay.
Oh my gosh! There's fingerprints!
Okay, well, we're not sure that they're Tommy's, though.
Okay, so we need to compare them to his birth certificate.
Yeah.
Okay. Now rub the powder really lightly. Yep. And stick the tape on it so we can get the fingerprint onto the tape. Perfect. Now we have to compare it to the copy of the birth certificate.
Oh my gosh, it's a perfect
case, we just use forensics chemistry. There are many different types of forensic science. Forensic chemistry focuses solely on the application of chemical principles and techniques in an investigation.
So chemists can use the different chemical changes to help reconstruct the sequence of events during a crime, which ultimately can help solve the crime.
Yes, exactly. The role of chemistry in the investigation differs from every case. In general, the function is to collect and preserve evidence and use a sequence of steps to identify unknown elements and compounds.
Forensic scientists usually have a strong background in biology as well as chemistry. They work closely with the law enforcement to help crack a tough case.
Good job, Grace. You've learned so much.
Thanks.